Now, how many phases of the creativity? There are 5 phases, starting with information, knowledge, preparation, and research. The second phase is about incubation and thought process. Third phase is the idea, then evaluation of the idea, and last is the implementation process, the prototype phase. For sustainable business development, the creativity and innovation is a continuous process. Let's start with the phase 1, the knowledge phase. It's about gathering the relevant information. For example, in our case, the category is technology, so we have to gather as much information relevant to our niche. Narrow down into the subcategory as well. Looking for the problems is the best approach. Remember, the idea only comes within our knowledge range. The more knowledge means the better and more doable idea. Set the time limit and finish it up with deadlines. Now coming to the second phase, the incubation, thought process. This phase is all about thinking, brainstorming. There are no limits because there is no time to idea. It can come in any time. Now the next to this is the idea. That click, the idea, the solution to the problem. Moving towards the evaluation and most important phase. In this phase, we have to weigh our idea with real-world scenarios. The best way to evaluate with domain experts through critical thinking, market studies, and about your limits. We often have great ideas, but the problem is some of the greatest creative ideas can easily be lost because they are not packages in the right way. So if the idea fails in this phase, go back to the thought process and optimize, polish the idea, or come up with something new. The last phase is implementation, the practical phase. This phase is about creating something as a model or a prototype. This is actually the start of the business process. This stage is where Edison said, it's 1% inspiration and 90% perspiration.